Okay, so you tie your band around a pole or something sturdy. You want the band to be at your hip crease, and then your legs can go and straddle the band. But you just hold it there for 1 minute, and you make sure you keep your back flat throughout the whole hold. You could do it one-legged. So you just sweep the band over. Make sure, again, it's at your hip crease and your back is flat. You just hold it there again for 1 minute. Another way you could do it is getting the band around your ankle. So you kind of have to do this crisscross motion as you see me struggling. And then I finally got it. So it's crisscross so that it's nice and secure. You want to have something under your leg. So my foot is floating, but ideally you want something under your calf to keep it up by itself so you don't have to hold it by itself. And again, flatten your back so that you can get that good pull or traction. Let me know if you have any questions.